Balaji Buty, partner of Mrs. Bhojraj Lawns. Courtyard is a concept of open air food court. We are now utilizing Ciferon, which I suppose is helping us very nicely, and the system is running flawlessly. And there are 3-4 types of system here for payments. We have got centralized billing system. Let's see, we'll order some food from 2-3 different kiosks and see that how Ciferon, our software guy, works seamlessly with Courtyard. So let's order now. I would like to order one Bikaneri thali. सोया चॉप भी है आपके पास? हाँ, सोया चॉप एक करवा दो. सोया तंदूरी चॉप. देर से रुके, 5-7 मिनट हो गया. अरे चलो फोन आ गया, एक बार सुन लेते हैं स्पीकर फोन पे. Counter 12 to collect your order. As you can see, my token number is displayed here and my order is ready. Now I'm very hungry. I'll go sit and have my meals.